Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Pinokio AI. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and type in Pinokio AI, and then you want to go to the first website over here, which is going to be pinokio-home.netlify.app. So click on this, and then over here, as you can see, this is the place you want to be. So you want to click on download over here, and then this will take you to Pinokio Docs. And here it says install. You want to select your platform, so either Windows, Mac, or Linux. I'm going to go for Windows right now. And then here it says step 1 is to download. So we have to press this button over here, and this will start the download onto your computer. As you can see over here, so once this is done, you will then have to unzip. So it says unzip the downloaded file, and then you will just have to install it. Now over here, once this finishes, let me actually show you how to exactly do this, because these steps over here sometimes may not be as convenient as you would like. Now, of course, as I said, once this downloads, you want to open up your download folder on your computer. So my download folder is over here. As you can see, this download is now confirming. There we go. So the first thing it says, you have to unzip the downloaded file. So the way you do this is you want to right click on it and then click on extract all, and then click on extract. What this will do is, as you can see, there is now a new folder which is unzipped. It does not have a zipper on it, so you can just delete the one you had before. There we go. And then you have to open it, and here you will see the Pinokio setup. So what you have to do is double click that, and then as you can see, it just starts loading up. And then once this loads, it should open up your Pinokio setup. So if this message over here, which for me it did not, but if this message appears for you, so Windows protected your PC, what you should do is they show over here, you want to click on more info and then run away over here. So if that does happen, just click on that, and then after this you'll be able to see this pop up which says installing, please wait, and then just like that, Pinokio AI will be installed onto your computer. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.